Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Peshawar Model School Girls 2 online class 6 of social studies. As you know that we have finished our geography section and today's we are going to start our history section. So the first topic which we are going to start now, that is the ancient invaders. First of all, the ancient means old and invaders means attackers. If we see the history of the subcontinent, there have been many dynasties who attacked the subcontinent and try to rule the subcontinent. Many of them were successful in doing so and some were not successful. For example, the Mauryans came, the Gupta's dynasty, the Nanda's empire, the Mughals empire, they came here and ruled the subcontinent. In 1500 BCE, a new race of people came into the northwest of the subcontinent. So first of all, here we have using the word BCE. BCE stands for before common era, means before the birth of Jesus Christ, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. So that race which will come into the northwest of the subcontinent, they were called Aryans. They were called Aryans. Aryans means nobles. They came from the Central Asian states. All these are the Central Asian countries: Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan, and they entered into the subcontinent through Khyber Pass. They were called the nomads. Nomads means people who moving from place to place. Nomads means people who moving from one place to another. They are called the nomads. So they also brought the animals with themselves because they were the nomads people, and for survive they need food, water, and fertile. For the survive of the animals and for themselves, they need food, water, and fertile land. So they were the warriors types of people. Physically they were strong, heighted, and the color was also fair. At that time, the people who was already there, they were Dravidians. Dravidians actually who belong actually from the Indus Valley Civilization, but later on they were completely destroyed. The reason is not still known. Someone says yes, just due natural disasters, but they were very peaceful people. Still no weapons was found, but it is said that they were warriors. When Aryans came, the Dravidians were pushed. Aryans used weapons that were made of bronze and iron. This is the picture of bronze and iron weapons. They also fought from chariots, and the Aryans defeated the people of the Indus Empire. Some Dravidians were killed and some made slaves. Some fled to other part of the subcontinent. Fled means run away, bhag jana. Scientists believe that Balochi language is very similar, which the Dravidians people used. Aryans slowly took over the most of the northern India, moved into the Ganges Valley, settled there and becomes farmers. They also fought amongst themselves for land. Aryans were the ancestors of modern Hindus. What is meant by ancestors? Ancestors means forefather, above Ajdad. They extended their empire eastwards along the Ganges River, where they settled and they divided their people into four castes on their occupations. पेशे के लिहाज से they have divided their categories. Number 1, they will be the Brahmins. Number 2, Kshatriyas. Number 3, Vaishyas. Number 4, Shudras. The upper caste, it will be the Brahmins, who were the priests. Priest means religious leaders. पादरी किस्म के जो लोग होते हैं, they all are called the priest. Number 2 category, it will be the Kshatriyas. In this caste, there will be the kings, soldiers and leaders. Number 3, there will be the Vaishyas. That will be the craftsmen, means skilled workers जो होते हैं, officials, merchants and farmers. After that, the fourth one caste, that will be the Shudras, the ordinary workers, means common people, servants and the laborers. After the four caste, below the four caste, there will be the outcast. Outcast means untouchable people. They were not Aryans by caste. Why they were added in this caste? The question is that why they were added in this caste? Because they have violated even the lowest caste, Shudras, made them their slaves. Even they are not allowed to practice their religion as well, and they cannot live their own villages also. They done those works which are unclean according to their religious point of view. Number 1, that is the killing of animals. Number 2, that is the picking up the dead bodies. Number 3, that will be the sanitation. So even they are not allowed to add in another caste. Even they born in which caste they were be there. They brought a new religion, means I am talking about the Aryans, that Aryans brought a new religion, that is the Hinduism, and they worship the many idols, because as you know that the Hindus, they don't believe on Allah and they worship many idols. So there will be the Aryans worship the different signs of nature. For example, the sun, moon, fire, rivers and earth. Now let's see the pictures of sun, moon, rivers and fire. The Hindus worship the different kinds of gods, and their gods are Indra, Vishnu, Shiva and Krishna. So I am telling you at this time the different gods of Hindus. See these pictures, they are the different gods of the Hinduism religion. Okay. The holy book of the Hinduism is called hymns, means Vedas is one of the famous book of Hinduism religion, because it is the basis of the Hindi language. Sanskrit, nowadays in the modern languages there are the Sanskrit words. The Latin meaning of Sanskrit is perfect. So now kindly, this is the Sanskrit language words. So now open your box, page number 79 and 80. There will be some underlined words that you have to search out the meanings of those words, and I am also giving you the homework that learn short question answer of 1, 2, 3 of chapter number 11, Industry in Pakistan, and reading page number 79 and 80 of chapter number the Ancient Invaders, which we have started today, means chapter number 17. Okay, and the written will be that you will be find out the meanings of the underlined words.